Meaning of hubbub.
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 Hubbub. Hubbub refers to a loud and chaotic noise or commotion caused by a large group of people or things. It can also be used to describe a situation that is confusing or full of conflicting information. The word often implies a sense of disorder and lack of organization. People may experience a feeling of being overwhelmed or unable to focus when surrounded by a hubbub. In addition, it can be difficult to communicate effectively in a hubbub because of the high level of noise and distraction.